Hello everyone, a very good afternoon and welcome back to today's sessions. So we will be starting shortly, so let's give everyone a minute to join. Just make sure you are using your registered email ID for attendance. So one more announcement, at 4 p.m. we will be having a placement talk. Thank you. Hey everyone, a very good afternoon and welcome back to today's session. So we will be starting shortly, so let's give everyone a minute to join. Just make sure you are using your registered email ID for attendance. And one more quick announcement. At 4 p.m. we will be having a placement talk. So please stay connected and make sure you attended the session as well. Alright. Thanks guys. Alright everyone, I think we are all set now. And good afternoon, ma'am. Everyone is ready, so I won't take much time. Over to you, ma'am. Have a wonderful session.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So, good evening, all. Let's start the sessions. I will share the screen now. Okay. So today we are going to see the applications in various industries. So let us see what are all the applications of ChatGPT, how we are giving the prompt in various industries. So that we are going to see it here. So industry applications refer to how business and organization use AI tools to improve productivity, to reduce manual work, automate communication, generate content, and support decision making. So let's see. And what are all the benefits of it? Why industries are using this charge? So the benefits are it improves efficiency, so reduces repetitive work, supports creativity, provides instant responses, it helps in communication, and it saves times. So these are all the benefits why the industry are using this. So let us see what are all the industries are mainly using for this. So till now, I think we didn't create for lesson plans. So we do that now. So in education industry, the usage may be lesson plans and quizzes. Second, in health industry, we use this for medical summaries. In banking, it is for customer support. In IT industry, we are using this for code assistance. In marketing, we are using for content creation. In HR industry, we are using for resume screen. So all the thing we are going to see now. Fine. So first we see it in education. Okay. The first we are going to see is lesson plan creation. So here I have given some prompt for creating the lesson plans. First prompt is create a 1 hour lesson plan on artificial intelligence for beginners. The second prompt is prepare a classroom activity for teaching Python basics to college beginners. Uh, And third is generate a weekly timetable for a spoken English course. So try for this prompt. Open any LLM which you like. So prompt is displayed here. Just try for this prompt. Open the ChatGPT or Google Gemini or Perplexity or Claude AI, anything else you can use for anything. Just try for any prompt in that which I have given and post your response in the chat box. At least by taking the screenshot also you can post it. I could see the result from Prem Prakash sir. Okay, NRCM tutorials. So I can see the result from them. We wait for a few minutes. Let others to post it. Okay, fine. So I see the result of Aishwarya Ma and Jadhav sir, Daya Naik. And fine. Okay, fine. So this by using this, you can prepare the lesson plans. Okay. So we move to the next slide. The first one is lesson plan creation, and second is MCQ generation. So here I have given for three prompts, three example prompts. So generate 10 MCQs on data analytics with answer. So, and the next prompt is prepare easy, medium, and difficult questions on Excel formulas. And third is generate a model question paper for data structures. So you can try this. Yes, I see the result of Naik ma'am. I'm Daya Naik ma'am. And only two response I got for this. For this MCQ, just try for it. I have given three prompts. You can try either one at least. Okay, fine. Yes, I got many response. Okay. Yes, I could see the results of Prem Prakash sir, Purnima ma'am, Misbah sir, okay, Jadhav sir, then Daya Naik sir, 10 MCQ from data analytics, Excel formula by Purnima ma'am, Alikiti ma'am for MCQ at data analytics, my Kumar sir, my Aparna ma'am, okay, Misbah, yes, fine. So we have seen so many responses. So I hope we can move for next. So third is assessment creation. Create assessment questions on machine learning for engineering students. So try this. I want to assign assessment to the students. So just creating the assessment question, assignment questions on machine learning. Try this. Okay, fine. Okay, define example of it. Okay, I could see the result from Arati ma'am, and I could see only few things. Likiti ma'am, Rahul Kumar sir, and Vidya ma'am. Fine. So still you are doing. Shall we go for next one? Okay. We move on to next one. So next is for classroom activities. So try for this. Suggest some interactive classroom activities for teaching Python. So all this are belong to education industry. So now we are seeing how it is applicable to all the industry. The first industry we are seeing for education. Yes, I could see the response from Nisba sir. So, fine. Arati ma'am, Madhu sir, Madhu ma'am, or okay, fine. I could see many responses from Pooja ma'am and from Nikiti ma'am. Yes. So, yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you. So, we just move on to the next one. So, next is summarization. Already yesterday itself we have tried for this. See, by using this LLM, so what are all the benefits? So benefits and example they have given here. One is save preparation time. An example is faster lesson plans. We can, if we are using this, we can create the faster lesson plans. Second is personalized learning, like student specific explanation. Third is content generation. Benefit is content generation for notes and quizzes. Example is for notes and quizzes. And fourth one is engagement and like interactive activities. So these are all the benefits and examples. Let's move on to the next one. And these are all some suggested prompt. So whichever you want to try, you can try it. Like, see, we can use ChatGPT or any LLM for self-study. We can for students practice and worksheet. So these are all some general prompt. Suggest a prompt, student practice and worksheet, personalized learning, presentation and content creation, classroom communication, advanced educational prompt. So five different prompts I have given. So this is the first thing. So you can try with any prompts. Just keep try to do it. The prompt which I have displayed here is create 20 practice problems on percentages with solutions. So generate a grammar worksheet for pronoun. So prepare Python debugging exercise for beginner. Beginner. Okay, personalized learning. So create a study plan for a student preparing for semester exams in 30 days. Suggest learning activities for slow learners in mathematics. Provide revision notes for operating systems. So you can try at least any one of the prompt. So yes, I could see the results of it. Results from NRCM tutorials, fine. Prem Prakash sir for revision notes in operating system. And from Pooja ma'am, a grammar worksheet for Prano. And Vidya ma'am for 10-day preparation plan. Okay, from Sumana ma'am, a 30-day semester exam study plan. Fine. Okay, fine. So let me just move on to the next slide. So next slide is for PPT presentation. No need of doing PPT presentation because you have already done. So we just go with the suggested prompt, I mean advanced educational prompt. So here I have listed for 5 prompts. So act as a college professor. Here this is role-based prompt because we are telling the ChatGPT to act as a college professor and explain database normalization. Now, second is also a role-based prompt. Act as a interviewer and ask Python interview questions. And third is provide real-world examples for teaching economics concept. Convert this paragraph into simple English for school students. Summarize this chapter into important exam points. Fine. So these are all some suggested prompt. You can try it. Okay, fine. I could see the response from Prem Prakash sir and Madhu and from Sumana ma'am and from Pooja ma'am. Fine. And from Vidya ma'am and Monica and Prem Prakash sir. Good. So if we just move on to the next one. So next is prompt formula for teachers. So this just to give the a best effective prompt. So you can go with this formula. First, create plus what is the topic you need plus who are the audience, plus in what type you need the result, and you need to say for the level. So here create a beginner level workshop on Excel formulas. So for the first year college students. So this is the example prompt. Fine. And next we are going to use the chat GPT in a healthcare and banking industry. Let us see for that. The first we are going to do with the medical documentation. So here I have given for a different prompts for medical documentation. So summarize patient consultation notes professionally, generate a patient case summary format, create a hospital admission for template, prepare SOAP notes, SOAP notes for fever patient example, write a professional medical leave certificate format, create a daily nursing report template. So these are the prompts for the example of healthcare. So try for this. Okay. So let's see it. Fine. From Pooja ma'am, I could see the response from Pooja ma'am. I Prem Prakash sir, Svana ma'am, from Madhu, from Svana. Yes, okay. Yes, fine. I hope if many of them have tried for this prompts. Okay, shall we go for the next one? Shall we go for next prompts? Yes. Okay, fine. So next is patient communication. Okay, fine. So just see, these are all some different prompts you will not see in your day-to-day life. Let's just explore it. Write a polite appointment reminder message for patients. Create a patient discharge instruction in simple English. Draft an email informing patients about vaccination schedules. Explain diabetes management in simple terms for elderly patients. Prepare a health awareness message about hydration during summer. So whichever prompt you like, you just go for it. Try it. Okay. Let me check with this. Okay. From Pooja ma'am, I'm seeing the I mean health awareness message about hydration during summer. This is a friendly reminder from Lingam sir. Okay. From Sumana ma'am, the diabetes management for elderly people. And from Jadhav sir, the appointment reminder. Okay. From Prem Prakash sir, the same thing, the diabetics management. Fine. Okay, shall we go next? Next slide. Okay. Fine. Okay. So next is health awareness content. So write a simple health awareness tips for diabetics patients. Write a social media post about dengue prevention. Create an awareness campaign slogan for blood donation. Prepare a speech on World Health Day. Generate community health survey questions. So write a pamphlet content for hand washing awareness. So just try for any two prompts. Try for any two prompts. Okay, I could see the response from Anandapur. Okay. And then from admin, health awareness message, stay hydrated during summer. And from Sumanna, a speech on World Health Day. Right. And from Pradeep sir, and from Prem Prakash sir, a speech on healthy lifestyle. Okay, good morning, respected teachers. Fine. And a speech, and again Anandapur sir, speech on World Health Day. Okay, from Shavana ma'am, community health survey questions. Okay, from Pooja ma'am, social media post about dengue prevention. Again, from admin, community health survey questionnaire. Okay, from Pravalika, World Health Day. I mean, the speech will be on World Health Day. A simple health tips for diabetic patients from another. From Prem Prakash sir, from Anvi Naik. Fine. So you have tried enough. So we move on to next. And next is healthcare administrations. Just check out the prompts. Create a hospital staff duty roster template. And second is prepare patient feedback survey questions. Third is write standard operating procedures for clinic reception. And fourth is generate billing categories for a small clinic. And fifth prompt is create a checklist for hospital hygiene inspection. So you can try for any two as your wish. Okay, fine. So I could see. Okay, let's see the result of Pooja ma'am, Sumana ma'am, Prem Prakash sir, Pravalika, and the hospital hygiene inspection checklist from Andy Nayak sir, Anandupa, Vidya ma'am, okay, and from admin, patient experience. Okay, fine. Okay, we move on to the next. Okay. So important question. AA assists doctors. AA does not replace doctors. Human verification is important. What is your from your side? AA assists doctors? Answer is yes or no. Okay. Okay. Answer is yes. It can assist doctors, but AA does not replace doctors. Okay. True. AA does not replace doctors. Okay. Human verification. More than that, at every time, the human verification is important. Right. So next we are going to see the prompts in banking and finance sector. So in the banking, first we are going to see for customer support. So here I have given for different prompts, 6 different prompts. Create responses for common banking customer queries. Second is write a professional response for your customer asking about loan eligibility. Third is create a chatbot script for bank account opening assistance. And fourth is draft an SMS alert for low account balance. Fifth is generate FAQs for internet banking services. Sixth is write a customer support reply for failed transaction complaints. Okay. Fine, you have tried. Yes, yes, fine. I see the results from NRCM tutorials about RBI resources and from Pooja ma'am for SMS alert for low account balance, from Sumana ma'am for requesting for loan services, from admin, okay, for internet banking services. So loan balance alert by Pratik sir, from Sumana ma'am, again a chatbot, okay, from Vidya ma'am, from Rafaelika, from Manjula ma'am, from Manvi, like, okay. Okay, fine. So we just move to the next prompt. And second is a financial reports analysis. Here we have four, five different prompts. The first prompt is summarize a quarterly financial report in simple English. See here, you can attach any document and then you can give this prompt. This will works fine. Create a bank statement. Create a bank statement explanation for customers. Prepare a format for loan application document. Generate a monthly expense tracking template. Write a professional investment portfolio summary. So you can try for any two prompts. Okay. So from Sumana ma'am, loan application document, and from Pooja ma'am, okay. So monthly expense tracker by Sumana ma'am, as well as investment portfolio summary for Sumana ma'am. Actually, Sumana ma'am have tried for everything. Customer guide, bank statement customer guide. I think she have tried for almost all the prompts. So monthly expense tracker by Prem Prakash sir and monthly category summary. Expense category budget by admin sir. And also from Sumana ma'am. Fine. I think all the 5 prompts she have tried. She is very active in the session. Fine. So next, fraud awareness. See for the prompt, create awareness tips about online banking fraud. Second one, list common online banking frauds and prevention tips. Third is create awareness content on phishing scams. So generate a suspicious transaction detection examples. Write cybersecurity guidelines for bank employees. Prepare customer safety tips for digital payments. So try this. Okay, I could see the response from NRCM tutorials like phishing scam, case study on phishing scam, and from Asma Begum. Okay, and the response from Sumana ma'am and from Aparna regarding the safety tips for customers. Again from Sumana ma'am. Subhashini ma'am and Pravilika. Okay, fine. So you have some placement announcement. So you can listen to that. Then we can get back into the session. I'll stop sharing.
Thank you, Sangeeta ma'am.
Thank you.
So, good afternoon, good evening to all the faculties and the professors who have joined in here. And I just logged in a few minutes back, and I hope the session is very interesting and engaging to you people. So, just give me a minute, I'll just share my screen. Yeah, so I hope my screen is visible to everyone. So, I'll take few minutes. I won't take a long time. I've joined in here for a very quick discussion on your support, as in terms of placement, where you support your students and direct them towards the interview or guiding them on how to prepare themselves for the job opportunity in partnering IT company. So here we have the FDP student placement nomination drive, connecting your students with direct interview opportunities at partner IT companies. So this initiative is from XLR exclusively for students who are from deserving enough to guide them from classroom to corporate interview. So what we expect from the faculties who have joined in here is they rightly identify the deserving students and help us to know each other so we can help them in cracking interview. Let me quickly walk you through. The core objective is XLR would want the faculties who have joined in here to identify their deserving student, connect them to hiring company. At the same time, we support employability through CSR linked hiring offering, freshing packages ranging from 4 to 9 lakh per annum. So this is not a mass hiring. It's only for students who have been chosen by the faculty themselves. Also, this initiative helps strengthen the industry academia bridge while recognizing and rewarding high performing students. How we are going to do this is firstly, we would want to identify the performing students who have strong communication skills, willing to take interviews, and students who also have foundational technical knowledge or the ability to learn quickly. In short, we are looking to nominate high potential students who are ready to step into the industry. These are the benefits the students will be availing through this initiative. Firstly, they would get direct interview and opportunities with partner IT companies, along with packages ranging from 4 to 9 lakh per annum. Additionally, students also gain valuable industry exposure, resume validation, and real interview experience. We also provide extra support like assessment, test, reviews, and interview readiness session. And this is the selection flow. It starts with an initial screening by XLR based on the skills and role fit through different assessments, whether they are fit for the role. So the students will be screened based on their technical knowledge, whether they are aligned with the role, their communication readiness, and many more. Followed by which the students that get screened on clear the first round will receive interview invites and preparation resources from XLR. Then XLR will introduce these students to the partner hiring companies and they will undergo the interview rounds, that is technical and the HR round. Once these students clear these all rounds, they would be offered with the job offers and this would be shared directly with the students themselves. To ensure students are well prepared, XLR additionally provides pre-interview training, review resume and provide interview tips for the nominated students, coordinate with partner recruitment company and support, and also they share the feedback on student performance and areas of improvement. So this initiative is just a part of the CSR activity. We believe employability is responsibility. So today, we request the faculties who have joined in here to scan the QR code and fill in the details, or you can also drop us a mail to ftp.placements.xlr.com for those deserving students. And from there on, XLR would connect with them and help them with the job interview. So we will hold the screen for another 2 to 3 minutes. The interested faculties, you can scan the QR code, whatever queries you have, you can just drop in there and our team will be getting in touch with them. So I think the faculties who have joined in here have already scanned the QR code. So again, you can also drop us a mail to ftp.placements@xlr.com, or you can even scan the QR code. The mail ID will be also posted in the chat box. Whatever queries you have, and if you want to nominate any of your students, you can just drop us a mail there. That's all from my side. Thank you for your time and support. And we look forward to your nominations and helping your students achieve successful careers. So thank you, everyone. Sangeeta ma'am, you can take over the session now.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. So we back to the session. So we completed for this third title. So banking benefits. So benefits and examples. Faster customer supports. So here we are using chatbots in banking sector. So I will show you the real life example. The HDFC Bank is using for EVA robot. Actually, it is a this is the bot they are using in HDFC Bank. The name of the bot is EVA, so electronic virtual assistant. So now it is millions and millions of queries asked by the customer or solved by this bot. Okay, so this is the benefit of AI using in banking sector is faster customer support. Second is documentation, example remote summaries, and third benefit is communication for customer miles. So these are all the benefits of banking of using AI and the benefits of banking. So it is like a hands-on activity. It's not necessary. So this will be very useful for us. IT industry, how AI is used in IT industry. The first, it is used as code assistance. So for code assistance, I have given for 5 different prompts. So write a Python program to find the factorial of a number. Generate a Java program for student grade calculation. Create an HTML login page with CSS styling. Write a SQL queries for employee database management. Generate a C program for matrix addition. So try for any 2 prompts. Yes, I could see the results response from Sumana ma'am for factorial program and from Sumana ma'am for program in Java for grade and from HTML program from again from Sumana ma'am. So Python program from Amol sir. Okay. Create table syntax from Sumana ma'am for SQL. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. From Pooja ma'am. Fine. From Amol sir. Reply from Mispa ma'am. Pravalia. Again from Mispa ma'am. Okay, fine. Fine. Okay, let me just move to the next slide. So debugging support. So example prompts are find error in this Python code, debug this Java program step by step. Why is this SQL query not returning results? Explain common syntax errors in C programming. Optimize this Python code for better performance. Fine. So try for this. Okay. I could see a response from Pooja ma'am and from Asma Begum ma'am. Okay, fine. We move on to the next slide. So third is documentation. Try for this. Create a software documentation for student management system. Try for this prompt. Attendance link is already posted in the group. You can check it out. So try. So okay, I could see the response from Pooja ma'am, Sumana ma'am, and from Ashma Begum, from Amol sir. Fine. So we move on to the next slide. Okay. So next we are going to see the prompts in marketing. So social media content. So this will be very interesting, and this is very useful in your day-to-day life too. So create an Instagram caption for AI workshop, and create a LinkedIn content for faculty development program. Generate a Facebook post ideas for training institute. Write a promotional post for an AI workshop. Create 10 hashtags for digital marketing campaigns. So try for it. So you can actually take for this FDP session too. You get the LinkedIn content for this FDP. So you can try for it. Try for any two prompts. Okay. I could see the response from Ms. Sir for student management system, and from Amol sir for unlocking the power of AI, and from Purnima ma'am for AI workshop alert, and from Pooja ma'am for Instagram caption for AI workshop. And yes, for Sumona ma'am, she have taken this faculty development program. Okay, from Ms. Sir, AI is the future. Are you ready? Okay, Facebook post ideas by Sumana ma'am, and from Asma Begum ma'am, she tried for 10 hashtags for digital marketing. From Likita ma'am for AA workshop, and again from Sumana ma'am, transform your skills with AI. And from Amol sir, and from admin sir, AA workshop, learn, explore, and innovate. From Prem Prakash and from Purnima. Fine, I could see many results here. Fine. Okay, fine. So we just move on to the next slide. And second is advertisement writing. So this is also very useful content. So try. I have for 6 different prompts. The first prompt is write promotional content for generative AI course. Second is a create a Google Ads headline for your software training program. A third is generate catchy slogans for your startup. And fourth is write a radio advertisement script for your restaurant. And fifth, create a YouTube ad content for an online course. And sixth, generate marketing taglines for your fashion brand. Yes, I could see this response from Pooja ma'am for transform your skills with generative AI and catchy startup slogans by admin and okay and response from Amol sir and from Sumana ma'am for master Gen AI transform your skills for the future and response from Purnima ma'am again from Sumana ma'am and from Likiti ma'am and from Vidya ma'am. Fine. I could see many response from Sumana ma'am. See, I really appreciate Sumana ma'am for interactively participating because even for a single slide, she used to post for 5 times. She will post almost each. She will complete for all the prompts, whichever whatever I'm showing in the slide. Really appreciate you, ma'am. And for Amol sir, from Purnima ma'am, from Asha Begum ma'am, and I could see response from Manjula ma'am. So very good. Really fine. So we move on to the next slide. So product descriptions. Fine. So let's see the product descriptions. Generate product description for smartwatch. Create a luxury style descriptions for your perfume. So this will be very interesting. Generate a short product description for laptop backpack. Write a professional product description for your wireless Bluetooth speaker. Write a tasty product description for a chocolate cake. Create a content for a herbal shampoo. So try for this. This will be very interesting. So this prompt is for product description. I could see the response from Manjula ma'am, Chandralekha ma'am, from Amol sir. So you just, after giving the prompt, just read for it. It will be very interesting. From Sumana ma'am. Fine. Again, Sumana ma'am, she tried for smartwatch. She tried for luxury perfume. And Likita ma'am for herbal shampoo promotional content. And Pooja ma'am for smartwatch. And again, Sumana ma'am tried for laptop backpack and for wireless Bluetooth speaker too. Herbal shampoo too. And Amol sir, I could see the reply from Amol sir. Again from Chandralekha ma'am, Anjula ma'am. Fine. Chandralekha ma'am. Rajesh. Very good, Amol sir. I could see the more response from Amol sir too. And from Asha Begum. Yes, yes. Fine. Okay. Really enjoying the session. From Sumana ma'am, I could see the posters, so everybody can see it. She have created the whole poster for it. Really, it is very nice, ma'am. How you are doing the session? Are you enjoying it? Is it interesting? Are you learning so many prompts? Fine. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So if you like to give any feedback, so you can give it in this link. So this is my personal LinkedIn account, so you can give it in this. Okay. We move on to the next slide. So next slide is branding. Okay. So this will also be very interesting. So suggest brand names for a tech startup, create a brand mission statement, generate logo design ideas for your training company, write a company profile for your software firm, prepare a branding strategy for your new business. So try for these prompts. Okay, you are doing it right. Company profile, fine. Amol sir, I could see the reply from Amol sir. Radhika ma'am. And from Likita ma'am. Okay. Prem Agarwal, fine. From Sumana ma'am. Yes. From Asha Begum ma'am. Okay, fine. I could see many response from everyone. From Aparna ma'am. From Likita ma'am. I could see the one image from Likita ma'am. Okay. And from Amol sir. So your attendance link is given here. So without file, give the attendance. And I could see the poster from Ansari. So logo design ideas. So really it is very good. I want to show this. So this one. See here. So logo design ideas. Fine. So it is a very good try for a training industry. See here, these logos are really very good. So like book shaped, like some second image is like graduation. Third is like touching the sky. Fourth, they are showing one electric bulb. So fifth one, ascent. I mean, it is increasing, growing. Fine. And fifth one is, I mean, sixth one is skill spear. So everyone which relates to training, logo design, really looks very good. Very good designs. It's a very good one, sir. Very good one. And I could see the response from Ansari and from Likita ma'am. And I could see one more design. Apex Academy. Fine. It's very good, sir. For the same one, he has created for 4 different logos. It's nice. Okay, fine. Okay. So we continue the session by tomorrow. And so this is the link, so you can give the feedback in my personal LinkedIn account. Okay. So um Sheetal ma'am, shall we wind up the session, ma'am? Without file, fill the attendance. Tony sir, shall we wind up the session?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. All right, everyone. That's a wrap for today's sessions. And that's all for now. And thank you, everyone, and have a great day.